This is the view from a property where some people are staying and who I've come over to teach on a painting holiday. I quite often do that. If they can't come to me, I can go to them. And this is the view they have from where they're staying, and it's really delightful. You've got this river, you've got the bridge, you've got the hilltop village, but when it comes to actually putting it down on paper, it can be quite a different matter. And this is the picture, this is the view they have chosen to do as their finished painting to take home with them. Now, you may want to do this when you're on holiday, but sometimes it can be a little intimidating and a little overwhelming to actually decide what to include and what not to include. So I'm going to help them to construct a painting from this view that will be believable and also a lovely souvenir of their holiday.